Hi guys, how are you doing today? I'm Jones Crasto here and we are going to talk about best jets and helicopters for business travel. Want to travel fast and in comfort for work? Let's talk about the best jets and helicopters for business travel. Corporate jets. These are small private planes made for business people. They save time, offer privacy and can fly to smaller airports. Light jets, good for short trips, 2 to 3 hours. Examples: Cessna Citation M2, Embraer Phenom 100. Seats 4 to 6 people. Perfect for small teams. Midsize jets, great for medium or distance trips. Example: Learjet 75, Hawker 800 XP. Seats 6 to 8 people. Often includes a small kitchen and bathroom. Heavy or long range jets for long international trips. Example: Gulfstream G650 or Bombardier Global 7500. Seats 10 to 19 people. Full luxury. Beds, meeting rooms, Wi Fi. Corporate helicopters. Best for quick city travel, meetings or airport pickups. Light helicopters for short hops around cities. Example: Airbus H125, Bell 206. Seats 4 to 6 people. Ideal for VIP airport transfers. Twin engine helicopters, safer, longer range. Examples: Augusta Westland AW109, Sikorsky S76. Seats 6 to 10 people. Used by CEOs and top executives. So, what's best for you? Short city trip, helicopter; fast regional travel, light or medium size jet; luxury international travel, heavy jet. These aircraft help save time, reduce stress, and boost business productivity. Flying smart is part of modern business. Which one would you choose? Thank you.